Go ahead.
This is a project based on the barn owl. The barn owl flies really quietly. Their talons are really strong and sharp. Even their beak tears mammals and smaller birds. The barn owl brownish coloration blends well with the trees. The barn owl's wingspan gets up to 14 to 20 inches. Sometimes they are called monkey faces. They do not hoot, but they cry. They are strictly nocturnal. They have a heart-shaped face. Barn owls are found in North and South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Plains, deserts, forests, farms, and cities is the barn owl's habitat. Barn owls nest on a hollow tree.
Barn owls hunt at night, which means they are nocturnal. Barn owls prefer small rodents, but will hunt small birds as well. Barn owls have sharp and keen sight. Barn owls also catch their prey with their razor-sharp talons. Barn owls eat different types of animals: mice, shrews, voles, and rats that are part of a barn owl's regular diet. Barn owls eat a lot of small mammals. Owls, like the barn owl, eat their prey whole. If the prey is really big, the barn owl will peck it apart and eat it in their home. This was our project about barn owls.